You're always welcomed at Memaw's house, where today we're making our first day of school after school snack. Here are the items that we'll need to make these chocolate chip brownie marbled cookies. As you can see, we're using our mixes that the girls had made in a previous video, and I made the Brookies from those mixes. We still have those from the summer, the beginning of summer, so I'm going to use them. What a great way to use them all up. I'll put a link to those videos up in the corner so that you can go ahead and see what we did with these mixes before. And I will also put the recipes in the description box. We'll start these by making the chocolate chip cookie base. And that chocolate chip cookie base consists of the chocolate chip cookie mix, 1 3/4 stick of butter or 14 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 egg plus the yolk of 1 egg. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mix my ingredients. I felt like I was forgetting something, and I was, the eggs. So I went ahead and added my 1 egg and my 1 egg yolk. Now that's better. I'm going to scrape my batter out onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet and spread it out to fill up the cookie sheet. I'm going to start spreading this batter using my little spatula here, but I have found that the easiest way to spread this batter is with wet fingertips. Now it's time to mix the brownie portion of our cookie. I'm going to start with my wet ingredients. For this recipe is very simple. The 4 eggs and a cup of oil and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. It really doesn't take long to mix this brownie batter up at all. So now I'll take the brownie batter and pour a portion of it over the cookie base. Now you want to smooth that brownie batter all over that cookie base. And one recommendation I will give you is to let your cookie base be refrigerated for the time that you're mixing your brownie batter, and maybe for about a half hour or so, so that it can be stiff enough and won't stick to the parchment paper. Now you want to take your cookie dough and brownie batter combination and roll it like a cinnamon roll. Now that they are all rolled together, I'm going to take them and put them in the freezer for about a half hour or 45 minutes, just until they're firm. In the meanwhile, with the rest of that brownie batter, I'm going to bake those brownies. Okay, so let's get the roll of cookie dough out of the freezer and we'll get ready to cut our cookies. Next time I won't put so much brownie batter on it. It was a little messy, so we'll learn from this. have my taste tester here right after school. Doesn't she look beautiful for the 4th grade? Just pinch off one of the cookies, Peyton. What does it taste like?
It tastes like a cookie, a brownie.
It tastes like a cookie and a brownie?
Yep, a brookie.
Oh, on a cookie form. That is beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
So you would like to eat more, I'm sure. So here's my second taste tester. She's going to taste a cookie that is a brownie cookie.
I never had one of these before.
Yep.
It's good.
It's good?
And brownie's like chewy and the cookie is like crisp and it's good.
Good.
I was giving it a thumbs up, but it didn't.
Thank you. Good.
So you heard my taste testers. They enjoyed the cookies and they really did have a good time sitting down with Memaw like we normally do after the first day of school, chatting and eating cookies. Thank y'all for watching. Be blessed. I hope your school year goes well. Bye.